So I've got some code here that generates a quarter of the Mandelbrot, top left quarter, because we've only got a quarter of a display. This is running at 2 MIPS and it's pretty quick, I gotta say. So there you go. We do have a problem with the display. This square's brighter green, but you can see we have a nice corner of a Mandelbrot. It's a lot quicker than I thought. So here's our Mandelbrot code running at 31 kilohertz. See, it's off and running. You can see the generating quite quickly. Again, we have got this issue with this top corner display. There are some slight odd artifacts, and that's down to the fact we are using 16-bit signed integers. I don't have a floating point on here, and I'm not clever enough to figure out how to do a floating point library for an 8-bit processor. So, but this is working. It looks very good. Again, this is at 31 kilohertz or thereabouts. Last line, and then you will see when it's done. Just doing this last few iterations in the middle, and we're done. That was it. Okay, we've got another run here, this time 250 kilohertz. So I'll kick it off now. See, still fairly quick, which is really good. I'll just do that again, switch it off, switch it on. I'll just keep the display in there, and off we go. So yeah, pretty happy with that. And here we go. This is 2 MIPS. It doesn't take very long at all. 3, 2, 1, go. Done. Really pleased with how quickly this works. Yeah, super chuffed. Main display board looks a bit boring, but that's because it's going so quick.
So, hello everybody. We have a quick update for you. We have our fake ROM board has arrived and has been assembled. It doesn't actually work yet, but we're still in the process of debugging why it doesn't work. But we have a knob where we can set which program we want to run, and they do all work. We fixed number 5 already, and if Paula, if you release the button, you can see it sort of does something and kind of goes through the states. It should be copying from program 6 from flash to RAM right now, but it isn't, and I don't know why, but I've not had any time to look at it really yet. So that's the next thing to do now we've got it put together.